Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do something a little bit different because I do have more Zulily boxes to open up, but I figured, well, I don't want to have just Zulily boxes, and I did have this order come in, so I figured I will do this video today. It's actually a pretty small box, probably about 5 items or so in there, and it's from a company called Orabel, as you can see on their screen there. They're based in Montreal, and I had a little bit of an issue getting this package here. So what happened is, this is not the original order that I placed. The first one came without Canada Post being the delivery, so I wasn't able to get it. They used a different so what's happening is that the company that's shipping it, they use one shipper and shipping company, and then that company switches over, and they did not switch over to Canada Post, so it ended up coming with a company called Canpar, which they could not deliver it to our post office because they do not take packages that are being delivered by different shipping companies. It has to be Canada Post. So I was unable to get that first package. He kept taking it all over the place, trying to pass it off to different people. And it was just a really confusing issue, and I was pretty upset about it because when I was trying to track it, it was all over the place. And what got me really upset was that he tried to deliver it to somebody else at a different address, which is a company, but he also had a person signing for it, which, I don't even know who this person was. So I phoned the company, and what it is that they sell eyeglasses, and he tried to put it in with her other packages that had come in for that day. And when she discovered that, look, this doesn't belong to me, she told him he had to take it back. So I saw that it was delivered to her, and I jumped on the phone and I phoned him and I said, well, who did you deliver my package to? And then he was rather rude, saying that he couldn't talk, he was driving, and he will phone me back, and he never did. So I took a screenshot of it. I sent it to the company that I ordered from, and they decided to send me a new package. However, I phoned that lady that it was showing in the system that she did sign for the first package, and she was telling me what was happening. So she said she told him to take it back, that it does not belong to her. And she said that if he comes back there the next day, she will tell him that if he does have it with him, she will keep it for me, and I'll go and pick it up whenever I get a chance. Because when my fiance is not here, I can't go pick up packages. So, I mean, and they will not bring it to the house because we're out of town, and we're just in an area where there is no mail delivery, and that is why we always use a post office. So she phones me back the next day and says that he did come by to bring more deliveries, but when she asked him, he said he returned it. So I figured, okay, fine, that's fine, because the company was sending me another one anyways. Then a couple days after, I get a call from a different company, DHL this time, that says they have a package for me from the same company, which I knew that this one was delivered to the post office because I was tracking it. So I told the woman, I said, you know what, this package has passed through so many hands. I thought they were returning it back to the sender. I do not want it. So he dropped it off at a pickup point, which is close to my post office. But when I talked to Orabel, they said, do not pick that one up because I have a replacement at the post office. Just leave that one there. They will send it back whenever. So I don't know if they did send it back or if it's still sitting there waiting for me to come pick it up, but I just blocked their number because they kept phoning me to come and pick it up, and they were rather rude. So at least I got this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open out. That's the story. I mean, it's kind of longer than that, but I tried to cut some parts out of it. But the bottom line is I did not want that first package because it passed through so many hands. People probably opened it up. Who knows what condition the box would have been in, all smashed in, throw around, because he was getting frustrated because he couldn't get me to come and pick it up. So obviously he tried to pass it on to somebody else. So I did not want that because I don't know what condition things might have been tampered with inside there. So I just wanted no part. I wanted new stuff in good condition because that's what I'm paying for. So they sent me the replacement and we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So they put some paper, and this is actually my slip of what I ordered in there. And I've got 5 items, and they're all going to be Makeup Revolution because I like the brand, and this company has a big selection of it. They also sell other brands. This is probably like my 3rd or 4th order from them. You would have seen other videos on my channel from them, and I was able to get free shipping because I think when you spend $40 or something like that, you get free shipping. So that was another issue. I didn't want to pick this package up plus the one that's floating around and then have to send one back, because I probably would have had to pay to ship it back there. And you know, that's a loss for me because in the beginning I'm getting free shipping. So I just didn't want to have to deal with that too. We do have London Drugs that sells Makeup Revolution, but they don't have a big selection like this company does. But I did notice that they have a small selection when I was in the store one time. So let's see what we got in here. See, the paper is all ripped up. I don't like that because it's like they just threw it in there, you know, in any fashion. I'm pretty much disappointed in this. Look how ripped this is. I mean, I know the paper is very thin, but you know, I don't get it. And this here is a powder I ordered. It's actually a translucent powder, but looks like it's even coming out of the packaging. So this is called, what is this one called? It is a loose baking powder in translucent, I think. Yes, it says right there, translucent. So it's to set your makeup, like your under eye concealer and stuff like that. So I actually got 2 of these. The other one is the Luxury Baking Banana Powder, which is this one right here. I thought there might have been bigger than this, but that's fine. So that was the 2 baking powders that I got there. And this next item is a eyeliner. It's actually like a felt tip kind of eyeliner. I used to have an eyeliner like this, but a long time ago, and I really liked it. I just have to have a steady hand to put this on. And I use the other types, which I like, but I prefer to try one of these now. So this is called the Renaissance Flick eyeliner. So that is what it looks like. It's sealed, so that's a good thing. Now this next thing is called the Conceal and Define Concealer in C8. So I don't know. It's kind of hard buying concealer and foundations online because the colors tend to look a little bit different due to lighting and stuff like that. But I figured, well, I'll give it a try because it wasn't too expensive. It was like $10. And there's tons of colors and shades you can choose from. Likewise, same thing for the foundation. So if this doesn't work, I can still go with a different color. Mind you, you wear different shades in winter and summer, because winter you don't have a tan anymore, but summer you do, so you'll have to change the colors up a little bit with regards to foundations and stuff. So this is the one I got. I don't know if it'll work for me, but I'll try it and see. Packaging is nice. I love Makeup Revolution. Their packaging is always so cute. And then the last thing I've got in here is called the Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection Jelly Highlighter Prestigious. And I think these come in like 3 different shades. And I want to try the other ones as well. But I said, well, I'll just try one first and just see, you know, how it looks and stuff like that first. And it's sealed. I like when I get stuff and it's sealed up really nice. I like that. Except I don't know if these are sealed. They don't seem to be sealed. Also, there's like maybe about 4 different colors in this one. There is one more that I'd like to get as well, with some foundation and some more concealers. But they're cute packaging. I like it. But my problem is it's not sealed around here, so there's a little bit of product coming out of it, but that's fine. It's not like, you know, it opened up and it's just all over in the box, so that's pretty good. But this packaging is cute as well. So I had to stop this video because I had a phone call coming in. But what I was trying to say is I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you know, I do appreciate comments, and don't forget to hit that little bell symbol. That way you'll know whenever I upload new videos. For new subscribers, my channel is mostly about hauls, and I do a lot of online shopping, and also if I do go to places like Edmonton, or if I do go to Grand Prairie, or even go on a vacation somewhere, I do a little bit of shopping, not too big sometimes. It depends. If it's for my birthday, then I would probably do a lot of shopping. I hope you all are having a good day and enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.